Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So whenever you want to switch a different account in Instagram, you just click on the top and you switch it to your different account. But how this work for Instagram edit app? So in Instagram edit app, we don't have an option to switch. So how can you log in with another account? So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your edits app. So after clicking on this one, click on this profile picture icon. So below you will get the logout option. Just click on this one, and here automatically it will show your another account which is already logged into your Instagram account. Here also you can see the switch account, and from here you can switch it. So for example, I will select my another account, and here you can see it is logged in. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.